If you're on a budget and looking for sustainable, quick transportation, maybe you're a student or you work in the city or you just want a reasonably priced, folding, fat tire bike, you're gonna wanna check this one out. I'm Zack Dictakis. Now let's review the Lectric XP.
Now let's review.
This bike has really impressed us. At $929, this is quite the steal. It folds, it's fat, and it comes with this comfy, cushy seat pole add-on free with your purchase. The stated range is about 25 to 50 miles, which is pretty impressive, but when I tested it out on a cold day with hilly terrain and full power, I only got about 16 miles per charge. Now at first you're thinking, hey, why are they lying to me? But every company exaggerates their range, and it's always based on these impossible perfect conditions. And check this out. If you were to buy 2 extra batteries at $279 each, you could store them on the handy rear rack that they include as part of the stock bike and triple your range for less than bikes with similar builds but slightly higher range. You could even leave a battery charging at a destination like work and home, so that no matter what, you have a full charge waiting for you when you get there. And this battery is an LG, which means it's higher quality than a lot of the no-name brands that saturate the field. The snazzy part here is that the battery is tucked away right in the tube, which locks with a key, so if you left the bike locked up and somebody tried to get the battery out, they'd need the key even if they found where it's hidden. I don't love that the key is located at the bottom of the bike, which is a really silly, hard to access spot, but oh well. Lectric has a pretty cool folding mechanism with this guy. There's a locking latch here that keeps it from coming undone on its own, so you undo that, then lift the latch away, and the bike just folds in on itself. With an integrated handle as part of the frame, folding pedals, and a seat that collapses down, you're going to be able to store the XP in tons of sneaky little spots. If you work in a city office building and you want to keep your bike at your desk, it should fit right under it. The bike could fit in the back of a lecture hall or just in your trunk. This is pretty compact for a full-sized fat tire bike. Okay, let's look at some specs. I got up to 28 miles per hour with the unbranded 500-watt motor, which looks very similar to a Bafang motor. The all-terrain CST fat tires come 4 inches by 20 inches. CST tires are a step down from Kenda, which is found on a lot of the more expensive bikes, but this is how they're keeping the price down. There is adjustability in the seat and the handlebars. You've got integrated front and rear lights. I'm surprised at this price point that they included a 7-speed Shimano shifter. It's a really nice touch, but in my opinion, it's not necessary on an electric bike that you're gonna be just powering with the battery. Brand name 160mm Tektro disc brakes are another quality addition to the bike that I felt confident with. Battery level, speed, trip distance, and more is available on the typical LCD screen. Let's talk about how this bike shows up. You open the box and get on. A major selling point here. I mean, you order an electric bike and you gotta wait a couple days for it to get there. And then you're sitting there looking at all these pieces sort of disassembled and you're trying to figure out how to get it all together. Not with this one. It was so simple. Almost too simple. We also tried out their $49 water-resistant pannier bag, which adds a ton of storage to the bike, making it a suitable option for running light errands. And this rear rack with the little clip thing on it is a really cool accessory and it's super appreciated, but it seems like a bit of a missed opportunity as aside from the bag, they don't offer any other accessories for it. There's a bit of an angular shape to the unique head tube and headset on the bike. This caused for some slight overturning, but a couple minutes into it, once my brain was used to the difference, it wasn't a problem at all. And having shocks on both the post and the seat was another nice touch. We rate our mobility products 1 to 10 on a 6-point scale. Power, 7. The bike can get you around, but it does have a bit of a short range. Build quality, 8. Comfort, 8. Style, 8. Unique features, 9. Value, 9. This is a sub $1,000 bike, and you're getting a lot for that money. This has been Now Let's Review. I'm Zack Dictakis. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching Now Let's Review. For more tech reviews, subscribe below. Please like, share, and comment any tech you'd like to see us review in the future.